$100 for some lashes. No, baby, come on with me. Let me show you something. Let me show you how to save some dollars. Okay. Hey guys, this is a Youluck DIY lash cluster kit. This kit has everything that you need to get your lashes done more efficiently and inexpensively. Guys, this set comes with 12 rows of lash clusters, 2 rows each, size 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. It also comes with the lash bonding glue, the sealer, and the remover, which I'm going to be showing you guys here. That is the remover. It also has tweezers, so that's everything that you need in this kit. Now, about these lashes, I'm going to be using sizes 16 and 18. Like I said, there's 12 rows of lashes. Here I'm showing you guys how to pick up the lashes correctly. You want to pick them up from the bottom of the actual cluster. That way you won't damage your eyelash cluster, okay? So here I'm going to go ahead and start off with the bond. You use it just like you're using any type of mascara. So very easy to apply. It takes 15 seconds. So it's a very quick process. So here I'm just putting the bond on my natural lash, grabbing that lash cluster, and I'm going to put it like 1 millimeter away from my actual lash. Very quick, very easy. It took me about 4 minutes to do this set. Now I'm only using sizes 18 and 16, and I only used about 5 lashes per eye. Now I'm going behind it with the sealant, and it didn't burn. I've tried lashes before, and that glue burns my eye, and I can't use it. But this was actually, I had no problems. It didn't burn. My eyes didn't get watery. Loved it. Easy to use. Like using mascara, you pick them up from the bottom of the tray. Once the bond dries for like 15 seconds, you just put them right there, like give yourself like 1 millimeter from the actual lash, from your lash band here on your eye. When I tell you it's comfortable, they are so lightweight and comfortable. I've worn clusters before, but this is very lightweight, and I can't believe how easy it was to do this. And then you follow up with the actual sealant, right? So I'm gonna be wearing these for a while. These are so light. I only use 5 clusters per eye. 5. And I still have a lot of lashes left. So this is a great value. This is a great value, guys. We always want to save some money. I know we like to look good, but sometimes looking good can cost, So we are trying to find some ways we can save some money. So guess what? Check out Youluck. Check out their lashes. I have an affiliate link below. So if you guys are interested, check them out. Like I said, they are very lightweight, and it didn't take many. It only took like 5 of them per eye. And they aren't overly dramatic. If you want them to be more dramatic, you can add more lashes to the look. But I think this looks great, and it feels so natural, and it feels so just light. It's not in my way. It feels light. I love it. I love it. So it just gives my eye a little extra pop. Okay. So check them out, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. Talk to you later.